Okay, the process for the angle iron weight per foot is similar, but there are a couple of differences, which I'll go through here. First of all, 1.25" means the dimension on the outside from right here to right here. This is also 1.25" from here to here. I need to add one more dimension in. This dimension is going to be 1 1/8. The reason is that I have 1 1/4 on the outside dimension, and then I have to subtract a thickness here of 1/8 of an inch. I'm doing this because I don't want to double count this corner. So what that leaves me with is two rectangles. One rectangle is 1 1/4 by 1/8 inch, and the other rectangle is 1 1/8 by 1/8 inch. So you can see that when I'm calculating the area over here, the area is 1.25 times 0.125 plus 1.125 times 0.125. That gives me a total cross-sectional area of 0.297 inches squared. Then for the volume, just like above, I take the 0.297 square inches and multiply it by 12 to get 3.56 cubic inches. That's the volume of steel per foot. And then the weight, you need to multiply that volume by 0.28 pounds per cubic inch, which is the weight of steel. So this gives us a number that's very close to 1 pound per foot. Next, I'll show an example of the square tubing. So this is 2 by 2 by 0.120 square tubing. All right, the 2 by 2 refers to the outside dimensions, and then the 120 thousandths, that's the dimension of the thickness of the steel around all of the sides. So now what I need to do is calculate an inside dimension. And to do this, my formula will be 2 minus 0.120. And then I have to subtract 0.120 again because I actually have two walls. So into the calculator, I'm putting 2 minus 0.120 minus 0.120. Gives me a dimension of 1.76. All right, to calculate the cross-sectional area here, I'm going to take the outer square, which is 2 by 2, and I'm going to subtract the inner square, which is 1.76 by 1.76. So my cross-sectional area is 0.90 inches squared. The volume, just like above, is 0.90 times 12. And that's 10.8. And then for the weight, I'll multiply that by 0.28. So here we have 3 pounds per foot.